Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating after update. So let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, the first solution is put your iPhone in a cool place. So make your iPhone to a cooler location when you find iPhone is too hot. So after this, the next solution is close all running apps on your iPhone. So all running apps. So I have closed all the apps on my iPhone. So after this, the next solution is force restart your iPhone. So guys, how to force restart iPhone? Press and quickly release the volume plus button and press and quickly release the volume down button. So after press the side button for 15 seconds until you see Apple logo. So guys, after force restarting your iPhone, the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So after reset all settings on your iPhone, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update if you have available any update. So update your iPhone to the latest version. So I have available this update. So tap to install this update. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.